Hello everyone, welcome to Statistics Doctor Consultancy, your partner in technology and analytics. I would like to inform everyone that the topics being discussed in this channel are based on personal experience and expertise of Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan. Professor Vincent has 18 years of solid experience in analytics and technology. He is a book author of research and statistics and has helped students, researchers, and organizations here and abroad. He is a data science and statistical consultant in Upwork since 2010. He is a contributing author in different e-learning platforms such as Udemy, LearnDesk, etc. Most of the contents of this channel are based on statistics and data science. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so you will always updated whenever there's new uploads. Comment the topics you want him to discuss in this channel. God bless everyone.
Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan from Statistics Doctor Consultancy, your partner in technology and analytics. In this video, I will be going to discuss the concept of predictive modeling or the time series forecasting and regression.
For my condominium unit.
What is Digital Week?
Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan from Statistics Doctor Consultancy, your partners in technology and analytics. In this video, I will be going to discuss the concept of predictive modeling using time series forecasting and regression model. Time series forecasting or regression model deals with historical data to find patterns and trends to understand its behavior. Contrary to other notion that these are statistical methods that will give us or provide us our needs. For example, I want our scores to be at 50. This is something that we cannot provide. This is something that we cannot get from time series forecasting or regression. It only tells us the trends and patterns found in the historical records. If found that the records is going up or going down, then that is the situation or the behavior in the past based on records. If the model found that there is a decreasing numbers, values, or trends, then its prediction will likely based on it. It will give us lower value from the previous record because that's the trend. Alright? There is a decreasing trend based on the model. So, the prediction will likely based on the model. It will also give us lower value compared to the previous record. Thus, if we want to improve, to increase, or to change the historical patterns found in the model, then we must to stop the trend by formulating business strategies or action items. For example, I want the score to be at 60. It's not something that this statistical method can provide, as I said earlier. What we can do to get this value or to have this value, we have to formulate action items and have to execute these action items. After couple of months, couple of days, we need to revisit the action items. If it's executed, what will be the impact? What will be the outcome of the action item then? That is the concept of time series forecasting or the regression. Thank you.